Thank you for staying with Prime Edition. From cinemas and theatres, we now get the latest in the world of business. My name is Betty Kiptum. The future of cash-strapped National Oil Corporation of Kenya now remains uncertain, with the National Assembly calling for the disbandment of the state agency. The decades-old upstream and downstream oil company has been in the red for the last 5 years, unable to pay workers and meet its financial obligations. The once cash flush parastatal is on the verge of collapse unless the government intervenes.
When Parliament established the National Oil Corporation in 1981 through an Act of Parliament, the vision was to have a government parastatal that handles strategic reserves of oil and gas and stabilize the market. But the vision now appears dim for cash-strapped National Oil Corporation. Appearing before the National Assembly Energy Committee, the State Department of Petroleum submitted National Oil Corporation was facing cash flow woes and was unable to pay employees' salaries for 3 months. The State Department admitted it had relocated at least 350 million shillings to National Oil Corporation from the Petroleum Development Fund so that employees can get paid this month.
I am told even UNOC, their sister company, their sister in Uganda, came to Kenya to benchmark with Kenya. And now UNOC, Kenya should go to UNOC to benchmark now.
MPs queried the viability of sustaining the corporation, yet it was no longer profitable.
I think we have been having a discussion in this meeting several times on the sustainability of NOC, as to whether it is time now to disband NOC. But in a situation where NOC cannot even pay salaries for workers for 3 months, is it worth having this entity?
While some members call for disbandment of the corporation, others claim there is a plot to cripple the oil marketer.
The ministry policy has not really been pushing NOC on the side of being on the side of strategic reserve, because if that was the case, the equipment that has been inherited by KPC, that is KPRL, then KPRL would have actually gone to NOC so that we have those assets for storage.
The National Oil Corporation is now seeking a strategic partner to enhance its market share and operations. Gishuki Washira, Prime Edition.